along with
मुझे कोई नहीं देख रहा, डोंट वरी, सब आपको देख रहे हैं. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Gunjan Utreja. What a special day, and first of all, thank you very much to everybody who's seated here for being on time. For everybody who's watching us globally, a big good morning to you. But also from here in Punjab, I have to tell you that today, where all of us are here coming to you live from Punjab, we're going to change the face of salon industry
salon, hair, beauty, makeup, everything.
globally. So ladies and gentlemen, what a special day it is here. And you know, Shiny, when I saw you this morning, we've been discussing so many things. इतनी सारी बातें होनी है, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि क्योंकि ये ग्लोबल आइकॉन की बात हो रही है, ग्लोबल विजन की बात हो रही है, एजुकेशन और इनोवेशन की बात हो रही है. आई वांट टू शेयर एन इंसिडेंट विद यू. 20 years ago I met a man.
Wow.
I met a man at a place in sector 17. We spoke about a lot of things and I thought यार ये सब तो ठीक है, मुझे बातें लग रही हैं, I don't think so ये होगा. The man went on to create some great brands and it gives me immense pride that he never forgot this vision, he never forgot this idea. अब उस इंसान के बारे में तो मैं बहुत सारी किताबें लिख सकता हूँ, but I think media is here, they are better at words, they can write it much better. Ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed my great pleasure to invite on stage this wonderful, charming human being. I call my brother,
The brainchild behind Salon Mart.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Naunihal Singh. And if I could request him to come up, take the center stage and share with us what is this global vision. Here we go.
Guys, can we have a huge round of applause for the man? I know it's a little, hot afternoon, but we have something really good planned for you all. So please, I want a lot of interaction from you all. So let's make it interesting by, having this interaction. Mr. Naunihal.
Yeah, hi, thank you. So, hi everyone. And first of all,
Sir,
thank you so much.
आपने खर्चा किया, आप आगे आओ.
So, सारे अंग्रेजी में मैं हिंदी में आ जाता हूँ. तो आप सबका आभारी हूँ, आप आए अपना समय निकाल कर. एंड जैसे गुंजन ने बताया, ये 20 साल की जर्नी है. थिंकिंग ऑफ दिस विजन, थिंकिंग ऑफ दिस आइडिया. So I started journey 20 years back with salons and during the journey I realized कि आज भी कोई भी सैलून नया खुलता है तो एक वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन जहाँ सब कुछ ले सकें वो अभी भी नहीं है. हिंदुस्तान में सैलून मार्केट आज भी 90% अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड है. एंड इस जर्नी में एक विज़न बनाया कि इसको करेंगे और बहुत बार कोशिश करी, बहुत लोगों का साथ लिया. एंड फाइनली वी रीच टू ए कंक्लूजन कि कुछ ऐसा क्रिएट किया जाए जो वर्ल्ड में भी नहीं है. और हमने 20 साल में सैलून इंडस्ट्री में ये सीखा कि ये इंडस्ट्री बिना एजुकेशन के बड़ी नहीं हो सकती. तो आज यहाँ जो हम अनाउंस कर रहे हैं ये ऐसा वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन है जहाँ एजुकेशन पहले, सेल्स बाद में है. तो अभी जब हम बात कर लेंगे ऑफिशियली, आज जो लॉन्च है ये फेज़ 1 है जिसमें फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे फर्नीचर और टूल्स हैं, सेकेंड फ्लोर पे एकेडमी है. तो बेसिकली टुडे इज़ अ लॉन्च ऑफ एकेडमी जिसे हम कहते हैं इंडियन इंटरनेशनल हेयर मेकअप ब्यूटी एकेडमी, which is in collaboration with JJ Sovani Academy. The idea is to give a global education to everybody along with the right knowledge of right product. But एक बात बहुत सीरियस है यहाँ पे जो आप सबको बताना चाहूँगा, ये विज़न अकेले के बस का नहीं है. जब इस जर्नी में हम जुड़े, शुरू में गुंजन जी मिले थे, फिर हमें रास्ते में एक और मित्र मिले, हमने 7-8 साल बहुत इसको माइक्रो स्टडी किया. एंड आज मैं आप बुलाना चाहूँगा स्टेज पे जिसके बिना ये विजन पॉसिबल नहीं था, जिसने इसको और डेवलप करा और इतना बड़ा बताया, और वो आपको बताएंगे हाउ एकेडमी विल हेल्प इट. लेट मी इनवाइट मिस्टर शाहनवाज नैयर.
And just to tell you how amazing this human being is, I met him also about 17-18 years ago. The man who has been, part of global giants. He's been in the cosmetic industry for more than 25 years now, have traveled across the globe, worked with global brands, created global brands, and now is also shaping the industry in his own way. Welcome to the show. There is global audience also, so first say hello to them as well.
Before you address us, I request everybody to please take a seat. It'll be great if you could just come here and sit. you know, it's better here, trust me. Yes, Mr. Shahnawaz.
गुंजन तूने यार मुझे ना उम्र ही बता दी पूरी दुनिया को 17 साल पहले मिला ये 25 साल का एक्सपीरियंस तो पैदा कब हुए थे
Yeah,
ठीक
I
है।
was just thinking that. Thankfully, I did not meet you guys then.
Okay, no, ladies and gentlemen, I'm really honored that finally this vision, which was started years back, and there has been a lot of ups and downs has come in this vision. And one person in this audience sitting over here, Mr. Kapil Kumar, also has been a part of this shaping this vision, for sure. Because there is one thing, see, किसी भी चीज़ को डेवलप करें टुडे व्हेन वी डिड अ माइक्रो स्टडी वी अंडरस्टूड दैट देयर आर टू challenges what every salon professional faces today in India, and that is the reality. And correct me if somewhere I'm missing any other point. First is resourcing of the genuine and the right product from one place. Because anybody who's a salon owner or a makeup artist, उनको जो भी प्रोडक्ट चाहिए होते हैं उनके पास कम से कम मिनिमम 21 वेंडर उनको सप्लाई करते हैं. सो 21 वेंडरों से मैनेजमेंट करके प्रोडक्ट प्रोक्योर करना, राइट प्राइस पे प्रोक्योर करना और क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट प्रोक्योर करना इज बीन अ चैलेंज फॉर एवरी सिंगल एंटरप्रेन्योर or a stylist or a freelancer. That's the one challenge. Challenge number 2 for the salon industry is the right education, the global education platform. सारे हम सीखे हुए हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि हिंदुस्तान में टैलेंट नहीं है, ये टैलेंट की कमी है पाजी. इतने बड़े बड़े टैलेंटेड लोग कितने खड़े हैं कि नहीं. सो टैलेंट की तो कमी है नहीं अपने पास, लेकिन हमें आज तक वो प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिला जो हमें ग्लोबल लेवल पे लेके जा सके. हम आज भी बाहर से हमारे स्टाइलिस्ट आते हैं, हम उनको बुला के बड़ा सा स्टेज देते हैं, उनके स्किल्स को हम देखते हैं, लेकिन क्या हमारे पास हमारे हिंदुस्तान में वो टैलेंट नहीं है जो ग्लोबल लेवल पे जा सके? है. इंडस्ट्री के बड़े बड़े लोग यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं, मिस्टर कपिल कुमार है, विरमानी साहब हैं, ये सारे लोग इंडस्ट्री में बहुत पुराने हैं, जनरेशन दो जनरेशन से इन्होंने इंडस्ट्री को शेप अप होते हुए देखा है. टेल मी ट्रूली, डू वी हैव द राइट टैलेंट सर इन इंडिया टू गो ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म और नॉट? बट नो, not a single hairdresser has been recognized on a global level. Okay, we have such a huge population. दुनिया में अगर 100 लोग हैं तो हर 17वां इंसान जो है वो एक इंडियन है, हिंदुस्तानी है. 150 करोड़ की आबादी में 150 करोड़ की आबादी का हमारा मुल्क है, राइट. और यहाँ के 55% लोग जो है वो 40 से कम की उम्र के. So imagine the potential what the global has. Today if you do rightly India, you don't have to win the world, you are actually winning the world. Do the rightly, anything what you want to do it rightly in India, it's equivalent to the rest of the globe. And that is the size of prize what we have, Paji. And coming back to the bringing the vision to the life, it has taken, it's not, people would say कि हाँ एक salon mart बन गया, आज एक idea start हुआ और आपने चालू कर दिया. नहीं, ये पिछले 2014 से इस बात पे डिस्कशन स्टार्ट हुई थी. हमने मल्टीपल प्लेसेस देखे थे, जगह देखी थी, सब कुछ देखा था. बट आज आई एम रियली प्राउड टू से दैट टुगेदर एटलीस्ट दिस ड्रीम इज कमिंग टू लाइफ. सलोन मार्ट इज अ वन स्टॉप हब फॉर ईच एंड एवरी सलोन प्रोफेशनल्स. यू वांट टू कम टू द ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री, वी आर गोइंग टू ऑफर इट टू यू द वर्ल्ड क्लास एजुकेशन. आफ्टर एजुकेशन पाजी क्या करते हैं? जॉब करेंगे या सलोन खोलेंगे?
करेक्ट.
जॉब खोलेंगे तो यहाँ पे जॉब की अवेलेबिलिटी है. सलोन खोलेंगे तो सलोन से रिलेटेड आपको 10 जगह जाके प्रोडक्ट खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आपके सलोन में टिश्यू पेपर से लेकर के पेडिक्योर स्टेशन तक हर एक चीज़ आपको वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन पे अवेलेबल मिलेगी.
But Mr. Shahnawaz, I would like to ask you a question. Stop. Sorry for interrupting in between. But I myself have been into fashion industry, beauty industry for so long, and I see a lot of other institutes. You know, there are so many other institutes. Why would people want to come to your academy?
IHMBA? Why the people would like to come to IHMBA?
I'm sorry, I'm putting you in a very different spot.
Thank you for asking. At least you are asking. They are not asking. कि मैंने पंजाबी उतनी अच्छी नहीं है, वो पूछेंगे मेरे से, मैं आंसर नहीं दे पाऊंगा.
I think सबके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन होगा यहाँ पे कि मतलब why people would come here.
See, he's a Bengali. He can write a poem on this, or a couple of songs as well.
We would love to hear some.
We have a surprise with that as well for you guys today.
Of course.
For all of you. Anyway, so sorry, your question was?
My question was why? What makes it different than other there's so many institutes out there in India, and there are some of them who are doing really well. But what stands, your academy apart from the rest of them?
Okay. This is the first academy in India which has another visionary guy associated with this. We have the icon with us. IHMBA has JJ Savani Academy of London. Okay? That's the institution. So may I call upon JJ by himself?
Of course,
Let there be a man be here.
JJ, please join us on stage, and please, guys, I need some energy here.
I was told Punjab had energy.
Yes. Gunjan, you need to inject some energy here in the audience.
And I was told Punjabis have more energy than me. Lekin main Gujarat, I've been told Gujarat has more energy. I thought
Gujarat has more energy 24 hours. Punjab gets energy after 7 p.m. दोपहर को बुला रखा है, नवरात्रों में बुला रखा है. I'm just kidding. Yeah. No, it's the other part as well. I'll switch on your microphone.
It is on, bro.
Yeah, okay, got it, right? Perfect. How have you been? First of all, welcome to Punjab. And ladies and gentlemen, we have amongst us the global icon, JJ, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, the founder, JJ Savani Academy, London. Such a pleasure to have you here. What a great combination. And, I was just thinking.
With that, I see a lot of diversity as well. Gujju, Bong, Punjabi. I'm like, this is what? This is world coming to Punjab.
Exactly. The best of, the Indian combination coming together, all ready to conquer the world. But before that, can we light the lamp and officially kickstart the
Yes.
event? Because there's going to be a lot of conversations, right? If I could request three of you to please step
And you're
forward.
yet to explain us why
I will.
the academy.
I promise I will explain you, not only explain you,
Yeah.
rather I will give you more than what you are thinking about it.
Wonderful. I'm waiting for that.
Thank you. Come on. So sorry for the setup, because what you guys are going to witness today is not only the launch of the JJ Academy and Salon Mart, but the world's first hair jamathon. That's the reason setup is like this. Okay?
Together, how's the academy different, and why did you zero in on this global icon?
Okay. Let me just first ask all of you another question. Do we have any academy in India which is owned by the global icon?
I don't think so.
No, it's not there. Okay? So India has the first time when the global icon had decided to come to India and open his academy. That's the number one. Number two, when an academy is owned by a global, so there is a Tony Mascolo, there is a Sassoon, Mr. Ujjwal Sassoon. When those people come and open the academy, they bring the entire knowledge, the purity of the knowledge along with them. Right? JJ has been mastered in all this thing. When JJ comes to over here in India, that gives us a chance, which I was talking in the earlier, कि India में talent की कमी नहीं है, platform की कमी है. आज के डेट में हम जब एकेडमी में, यहाँ किसी भी एकेडमी में जब हम एडमिशन लेते हैं, चाहे हम ब्यूटिशियन के लिए ले रहे हो, हेयर के लिए ले रहे हो, नेल आर्टिस्ट के लिए ले रहे हो, हम जब अपना साल 2 साल लगाने के बाद जब हम ग्लोबल लेवल पे जाते हैं जॉब की एस्पिरेशन के लिए, क्या कहते हैं पंजाब में, कनाडा जब कनाडा जब हम कनाडा जाते हैं, जब हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाते हैं, यूके जाते हैं, यूएस जाते हैं, वहाँ हमें यहाँ इंडिया में साल 1.5 साल कोर्सेज करने के बाद जब हम दूसरे देश में जाते हैं तो वैसे स्टूडेंट वीज़ा पे जाते हैं. जाने के बाद फिर हमें वहाँ 2 साल के लिए एक कोर्स करना पड़ता है, जिस कोर्स का नाम है जी
the VTCT.
the VTCT level course. What you have to do again there for 2 years, then only you get a license to cut a hair or touch a skin.
Oh my God, that's a never-ending journey.
Yes. Now what makes IHMBA different from any other academy in India? Okay? There are 3 levels of education what is been offered in the IHMBA. Level 1, you do a 3 months of a course or a 4 months of a course, depending on which subject you are enrolling for. You get internship in the organization. Okay? After the internship, you go back and do your level 2 here in Mohali, in this place itself.
Okay.
Okay? You complete that, you get a job within the organization. And then for the level of
3.
level 3, you need to go to London in JJ Academy, directly brushed up under JJ, not for 2 years, just for how many days, my friend?
A maximum of 2 weeks.
A maximum of 2 weeks you are in London.
Wow.
You prepare and you go and you appear for the CTVT level of education, and you
Nice.
get your license to work in Canada, US, Australia, and
UK.
UK.
Wow.
Okay? So you don't, that's what makes us completely different.
There's one more thing to add. Abhi, she asked the question how we are different. So there are a lot of academies already doing all these courses. What they do is they do level 2 course, they have nothing from them. So there is an opportunity, people who have already cleared level 2 academy in all other academies, they can directly apply for a level 3 course here, and they save time and have that direct access to international market.
Oh, nice.
So it's open to all, like you have all the provisions for everyone. Wonderful. I think that makes it amazing.
We have courses for the novice. We have courses for already established hairstylist who has got a certificate. Yes, they have to pass through our level 2 exam. Once they pass the level 2 exam, they are ready to go directly to the level 3.
So if I enroll tomorrow,
Yeah.
how much time will it take me to reach London and start doing it
To be in
professionally?
London. Yeah, please.
If you start, I'm thinking next
अगला
life.
जन्म
Next life.
अगला जन्म ठीक है बट अगर कोई ढंग का आदमी आए तो
अच्छा, ढंग का आदमी आ जाए तो टोटल साल भर पाजी
7 months.
7 months.
I think that's phenomenal. You know, I mean, if you could, especially looking at the kind of opportunities in New India, the global opportunities also, and also, I just wanted to understand. You know, it's a very special thing, but also when you said it's a one-stop shop for salon as well.
Yeah.
Can people who don't have any experience and just want to enter this industry can connect with you guys and say, okay, yaar, meko pata kuch nahi hai, but can you help me establish?
Yes, sir, very much. If you have no idea at all and you want to come to the overwhelming beauty industry, the most glamorous job at all, okay, then we have a solution for you as well. We have a consultation starting from education to giving you the franchise.
Right.
And that's a turnkey model.
Fantastic.
Okay, everything, all consultations are under one roof.
So my question is for JJ. JJ, you've worked globally. You've, I think, traveled across nations. You've worked with some of the iconic names. When you talk about India, what kind of potential do you see in India? Like, usually, how when you work abroad, when you work on a global level, how do people see Indian talent there? Do you think there is a space for Indian people to go and make a mark globally?
I think one of the main reasons I've come to India is the talent I see in India is not showcased on a global level. I've worked upon projects around the world, New York, Italy, France, you name it, I've been there. I've never seen a showcased Desi Indian from India there because they don't have that progression route. And that's one of the reasons why I've chosen India, because it's to uplift India as a whole and put them on a global platform. So the talent is there.
I was just thinking, so basically अभी मतलब ऐसे जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I can legally go as well as a trained person with the best education, with the best exposure, and I can have a fantastic career globally, right? Amongst the top 4 continents, also one of the topmost superpowers across the globe, which basically, if, any individual, any student who's aspirational, I mean, of course, there's a huge opportunity in India that for this industry, but if globally I have some aspirations, I connect with you and the academy here, IIH MBA, and I could be a global, player after a year, right?
You can't be a global player, Gunjan. You can work in the global level in any of the countries.
मैं इसीलिए मैंने 7 महीने में पहुंच जाऊंगा, आगे के 5 महीने में प्लेयर ही बन जाऊंगा. मैंने इसलिए 1 साल बोला है. But having said that, दिख ही रहा है कि हम तीनों में काफ़ी ग्लैमर है. हम तीनों में मैं सिर्फ इशारा आपकी तरफ कर रहा था. But I just thought that, because we've been talking a lot, and I thought, because we're talking about hair, makeup, beauty academy, it's going to be fair enough that if we could just showcase the magic of JJ here. So JJ, I'm sure, this global vision, this academy is not going to be possible by just one individual.
No.
If you could, share with us what's going to happen, what's the team behind.
So, for the first time ever in history, we are putting together the Jamathon. The Jamathon will consist of me taking you through a whole end-to-end experience of what happens working with me. Everything from whilst you guys have been sitting here, me and my whole team have been prepping models upstairs. We will be finishing off the cuts and the styles here. After that's been done, our models will do a walk. That's what everyone sees, the walk. Nobody sees the work behind it. Okay? But after that, another exclusive. I want to take you through a whole journey of emotions. उसके बाद हम लोग ये जो collection है ना, हम लोग shoot करेंगे.
Wow.
Upstairs in our studio. You're more than welcome to come upstairs after lunch and watch us shoot live. You have the full end-to-end JJ experience. Now going back to what you said, it's not possible without a team. I've hand-selected some of the best unpolished artists in India that I believe have got a bright future to take India outside of India.
Wow.
Each one of these people I'll be mentoring. It's not I'm better than them, they're better than me, but we learn off each other to become a better team. Because we can only go further as a team.
Right.
Alone I can go fast. I can't go far.
Right.
That's the team that would be my core team working with me, whether they're coming to fashion weeks outside of India, whether I have events in India and I'm not able to go, they will be representing one and the JJ Sahni Academy.
Looking forward to meet this team. So without
Could you
further ado,
please
if you
introduce
could.
them?
My team, a big round of applause. Can I have all my team on stage, please? A big round of applause for Pooja Galani, Javed Sheikh, Charmi Sen, Swetasha, Ashwini.
ये सारे हीरे हिंदुस्तान के अलग अलग कोनों से ढूंढ के लाए हैं JJ, and we're going to see something very interesting today live. And JJ, could you please tell us a little more about what are you guys going to do and what these people have for
I
them?
don't like taking the limelight. They are my team. Give them a mic, ask them.
Okay.
Their Hindi is better than mine, their Punjabi is better than mine.
क्या बात कर रहे हो आप? By the way, I have to tell you a secret, right?
Go for it.
Javed and I have also known each other for more than a decade.
Javed knows everybody.
Yeah, I know that. So Javed came to Bombay. So I'm very skeptical. I mean, right now, अभी बाल बहुत छोटे हैं, but I was always being skeptical. And Javed came to Mumbai. My makeup artist introduced him, and he said he's an amazing guy. I said no, I already have a stylist. I already have. No, you got to. I said I am telling you, I don't let people touch my hair. And he says, I'm telling you, he's a great guy. Javed came, we met, and then the kind of cut he gave me, the kind of styling he was doing for my shoots, and I was like, fantastic. I think one of the most amazing guys I've ever known. What a wonderful human being, what a great artist he's been. और फिर जावेद को पैसे का लालच आ गया और फिर वो बादशाह भाई के पास चला गया. I'm just kidding. Right, and then I remember I think if I'm not wrong, I was hosting Jima, and then Bacha Bhai saw, he said कि अब तेरे बाल बड़े अच्छे लग रहे हैं. मैंने कहा जी इसने किया है. नेक्स्ट डे मुझे जावेद नहीं दिखा, मुझे बादशाह भाई नहीं दिखे. तब से लेकर ये जावेद जो है वो बादशाह भाई के सारे बाल स्टाइल करता है. And a lot of people, and it's a joke, कि यार उनके इतने बाल कहाँ हैं जो स्टाइल करना. And I think that's more difficult, when you don't have too much hair. And that's a reality, right? To make him look like a superstar, a global superstar as well. So that's my journey. He's like my brother. And I'm so glad that he's standing here on this stage. The fact that you said that, हमने हीरे ढूंढ के निकाले हैं. So the fact that I know that, he's one of those, really cool superstars, I'm also assuming the other four are like that as well. So good to see you here, my brother.
Thank you so much, Gunjan bhai.
Arre Paji.
So we have a lot of questions for you all as well. So you guys are amazing with your work, what you're doing. So what do you think restricts Indian hair artists, or, I am sure you all are full of creativity, innovation. But so far in your careers, what has restricted you from not going global as what you.
नहीं ये हैं बाकी नहीं है ये हैं इनको पकड़ के लेके आए बहुत पैसा दे के लेके आए इनको वापस
And how do you see this vision going further? Yeah. would you like to answer?
So opportunities were not there earlier, but now we have JJ Academy, and JJ himself is here. So he selected this team. We want to go ahead. We want to go forward. We want to show the whole world about our creativity.
फैंटास्टिक फैंटास्टिक
मेरा आंसर थोड़ा सा अजीब होगा मे बी अपने इंडियन सेलिब्रिटीज़ को आई थिंक अब्रॉड के आर्टिस्ट बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं
Absolutely. I was coming there because I myself.
इट्स अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी कि एक ब्रिटिशर आर्टिस्ट आके एक हम सब इंडियंस को चांस दे रहे हैं नॉट ब्रिटिशर लाइक फ्रॉम लंदन यू केम फ्रॉम लंदन एंड
गुजराती विद ब्रिटिश एक्सेंट ठीक है
सो मे बी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लाइक इंडियन सेलिब्रिटीज आर वेरी कीन टू वर्क विद abroad artists.
No, I'll be honest. In fact, I'll tell you what the reason I'm skeptical. I think hair is such an important part of anybody's life, whether you are on camera or not on camera. The fact that all my professional life, I've only had one guy doing my hair and my makeup, not another guy. He came, फिर उसकी डेट मिलनी मुश्किल हो गई. Like, and it's a reality, it's a joke. I mean, but everybody, जावेद किधर है? पाजी मैं था आज कनाडा बैठा है, मैं लंदन बैठा हूँ, मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ, वहाँ बैठा हूँ. But I know, so what happened is that we're skeptical because it's a very important part of anybody's, look. The moment you go to someone who's not as educated or as experienced, I think भाजी बात सर ये नहीं कि बहुत फॉरेन से आया. I think बहुत बार ऐसा लगता है कि यार उसमें ना उतना तो वो डर वहाँ से आता है. शायद मतलब मैं जितने लोगों को मिला मुझे लगा हिट एंड ट्रायल चल रहा है. बहुत लोग जो इंडस्ट्री में हैं वो तजुर्बे से सीख रहे हैं तो एक इंसान को लगता है यार मेरे पे एक्सपेरिमेंट मत कर. So I think now that we've got this academy, people are going to be trained properly. The fact that you guys are the guiding angels of the academy here, the way that you're going to nurture the talent, I think then it puts a stamp on people as well. ये मतलब मैं अपना पर्सनल तजुर्बा बता रहा हूँ.
Exactly. वो मेरा भी पर्सनली था.
हाँ.
It's not like कि वही चीज चल रही है.
Is there any next question?
Yeah,
I have to answer that only.
Yeah, so the next question is, can we invite the models and can we see the magic?
Yeah.
Let the
Sure.
magic begin.
Yeah.
Let's get our stations up and running.
So we'll put 2 chairs here, right? If we could.
Trolleys, who's got my trolley?
हाँ जी.